Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shayoni. I'm a first time mom and I share parenting tips and tricks, also product reviews for both mommies and babies on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I am there as the Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my review of the Love Lab Regal Advanced Plus Baby Food Processor. As you can see right here, this has been an absolute game changer for me. So if you want to know more about this product and how to use it, then make sure you're staying tuned. So here I have with me the Love Lab Regal Advanced Plus Baby Food Processor, and the reason why I chose this particular food processor was that I am a full-time working mother, which means I have very limited time in the kitchen as well as with my baby, which means that I do not want to spend a lot of time prepping his food or arranging for his food. I want something which can be served to him in a quick manner but retains all its nutrients. I did a little bit of research and I figured out what are the food processors, what do they offer, and from all the food processors in the market, I realized this is the best one to go for. So I will show you exactly what it does and how easy it is for you to use. So here goes. Now first off, this steams as well as mashes the baby's food. You can use it to disinfect and sterilize some of the small parts of the baby's bottle or the teether. So I'll show that as well. It's also self-cleaning. It's got this beautiful touchscreen display, as you can see. And the best part is that you do not have to worry about your food getting burnt. This has happened to me several times where I have put something to boil on the gas and then I've forgotten about it and I have come back to burnt apples or burnt carrots. But here it will automatically get switched off if the water in this compartment is over. First off, I will show you how you can add water right here. So I will take some purified water into this compartment and that's filled to the brim. I am going to close it, make sure it's locked. There's a sign here as well that says it's locked. Let me show you the parts of this. So this is the stirring cup, and once you open this, you have the steaming cup inside. So inside the steaming cup, you will put your fruits, your vegetables, whatever it is that you want to steam for your child. Now I've put that inside. I will place it inside the stirring cup and also close this. And I'm going to fit it here. Again, it's very clearly written open and close here. It's perfectly ready. I'm going to choose the steam option, and these are carrots, and on the side here if you see the different options for the different common fruits and vegetables are given right here, so you can refer to that. You can also refer to the user's manual where all the fruits and different vegetables, even meat and fish are listed, and the time required for each of those items is also listed there. I usually steam apples, pears, carrots, and they get done between 15 to 20 minutes. So yes, so these are carrots, so I will just increase the time to 20 minutes and that's it, nothing else to do. So a few minutes have passed. As you can see, we still have 13 minutes left. If you see the inside of the stirring cup, it's all steamed up now. The water is going inside, steaming it beautifully, making sure that your baby's food retains all its nutrients. Steaming is the best way to give food to your babies, especially the first foods. So this is a perfect appliance to have when you're first starting your weaning process. And my son is now 1.5 years old. I now use this to sometimes steam the food and give it to him as is, or I will blend it up if I have to add it to another meal, to a soup or something like that. I also steam it for my own vegetables, like for broccoli. I like to have steamed broccoli. I use it to blend soups. I use it to blend smoothies. So this is an all-round appliance which can be used for both the mother and the child and for different family members. This is not going to go to waste once your child is out of the weaning process. No sound. Can you hear the sound? There is no sound. It's a very silent appliance. I will put the link down in the description box of both the Love Lab website as well as Amazon, so you can check out these products on these websites. And when it is done on its own, it will shut off. It will give me a small alarm to tell me that the food is done. And it's done. So the food food is done right now. I'm going to wait for it to cool down a little bit and then take it out of the container and show it to you guys. And as you can see, the carrots are nice and soft and they're completely steamed and they're ready to be eaten just like that, or I will blend it to you and show you. So now I'm going to dip these carrots into the jar here. Close the lid. Switched on the machine. Switch it on like this. Show this. And now I'm going to choose whether I'm going to make it into a coarse, chunky or a smooth puree. If you want a coarse or chunky puree, all you need to do is put this a couple of times and you can see how easy, and that is so strong. So you can serve it like this, or if you want a smooth puree, let's start do this. And we are done. You can also check how much food has been prepared. So if you want to like figure out how much your child is consuming, there are markings in here which tell you the quantity of food also. So 200 ml, 300 ml, how much food you're giving to your child, you can also get an idea from here. So now that it's done, puree is done, I'm just going to, it's nice and soft. Puree is done, it's ready to eat. Let me just get a taste of that. Now let's come to the cleaning process. Now all you have to do to clean this is to again pour some water into it. There is a marking here which shows how much water you need to pour. So I'm going to pour some water. I'm going to put the anti-spill lid on top. And I have to choose the clean option. You're good to go. You can use this, do this a couple of times with fresh water, so till it's nice and clean. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can use this advanced food processor to sterilize a small object. So here I have a teether. These are his sipper straws, and I am going to close it, and I'm going to be placing it again on this one, and I'm going to choose the disinfect option. Let me just show it to you. I'm going to choose the disinfect option, and now it's going to take 10 minutes for me to sterilize all of these small objects, and in 10 minutes we'll be done. All I need to do is now take it out, let it cool, and then use it. With that, I come to an end with my review of the Lovelab Regal Advanced Plus Baby Food Processor. I hope that I was able to show you all the features of this product and that you're convinced that you need it for your kitchen. This has truly changed my life. It is something that's made food prep, meal times so much easier, and I know I will be using it for many more years to come. So with that, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.